In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Discord stuck on loading screen. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your Task Manager. Now navigate to the Processes tab. Here search for Discord. Once it appears, right click on it. Then select the option End Task. Now close this. Search for Discord. Select the option Run as Administrator. This gives Discord elevated permissions and may resolve startup problems immediately. If Discord is still stuck on startup, let's try another solution. Open Task Manager again. Navigate to the Processes tab, search for Discord. Right-click on it and select the option End Task. Now launch Settings. Now head over to the option Time and Language. Click on the option Date and Time. Make sure you have enabled for the option Set Time Automatically. Then navigate to the option Apps. Click on the option Installed Apps. From the list of apps, find Discord. Now click on three dots, select the option Uninstall. Then close this, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the official website of Discord. Then click on the option Download for Windows and download the Discord app. In many cases, first installation resolves startup issues caused by corrupted files or outdated components. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.